Hi guys, and welcome to the cottage. So if you're new here, this is not a usual video for me, but I'm thinking about adding it more regularly. This is actually something I normally only do over on Instagram, but I thought I'd bring it over here to YouTube. Basically, I love Young Living and I love sharing my order every month that I get from them, and I'm a little bit behind as far as sharing what I've gotten, and I actually need to start digging into some of these because I like to carry back stock on a lot of this stuff to make sure I have it ready whenever I run out. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be nice. Everybody has their own opinions, and I'm just sharing my love of these products. Okay, so first up, I'm sharing my January order. Like I said, I'm a bit behind on sharing these, but I got the Thieves hand sanitizing wipes. I love these. They're great to carry in the car or in my purse, and I have them like stashed around the house. You never know when you're gonna need a wipe, and like for whenever. Like my husband uses these all the time to clean things because they have the it kills 99% of germs because of the alcohol in it, like you would with your regular hand sanitizer, but these are just in wipe form, which is really nice. I love that because then you can like actually wipe off the dirt while sanitizing. It's great. Like I said, he likes to use it for his electronics or just kind of get gunk off. It works really well for that. I keep it in the car for whenever I'm running on the go and like I eat something like with my hands or before I eat, etc. These are awesome to have all the time. Next up is my favorite, the Copaiba Vanilla Conditioner. This is actually what I need to break into because I am running low. I like this because I do use the Curly Girl method, even though I don't always wear my hair curly like I should. I do straighten my bangs, but all of Young Living's shampoos and conditioners are sulfate free and they're perfect for the Curly Girl method. So if that's something that you've been looking into, these are awesome. It's like the easiest no think brand and they smell amazing and it works so well for that. Next up, I got, and for some reason they put it in a little plastic baggie, but just some more lip balm. I got the lavender this time. I've been getting the cinnamon one for the autumn winter, but I thought lavender is more spring. They have a grapefruit, but I don't like it as much as I like the lavender one. Next up, to get ready for summer and to treat my dry winter skin, I got the coconut lime body butter. I don't use this every time I moisturize, but when I do, oh, it's so good. It's so thick and creamy and it's perfect for like that transition of your skin is super dry from the winter, even though you've been lathering stuff on, and you're trying to get ready for the summer, or like you get sunburned. I've used this after sunburn and it just helped me stay tan longer rather than burning. It was really great. Love this stuff. Next up for January is Eucalyptus globulus. I actually got a couple of these in January, so I've already cracked into this one. But this stuff's awesome. I love to diffuse it in the bathroom and I love to diffuse it with lavender at night. It's so good. I mean, it's just that classic clean smell. Just kind of takes me back to childhood days. It's such a good smell. Next up, we are in February. Oh, I got itchy allergies. Next up, we have vanilla. Very excited about this. I love vanilla and I use it sparingly because it is one of the pricier ones, but I had to get some more. I was running low and it's just so good. I do like a drop of that with a couple drops of Thieves. It's like the perfect like cozy house smell. So good. Next up is the animal shampoo. We love using this on our pets. It's not as it's good for the fleas because of the oils in it, but it doesn't have that like nasty medicine-y smell that some of the other ones have. And we also have the dogs on like a flea medicine, so this is good to just kind of like get everything out. It doesn't dry out their skin as much as some of the others. It's really good. They like their coats just look better after we do that. And clearly, because I didn't open January, I also got some more lip balms. I'll probably give those away. It's always good to have extras of those. I'm always losing them too, and so is my husband. Next up is the charcoal bar soap, and this is like one of our favorites because you get, oh, look at that plastic. You get really clean with this, and it's got just a little Young Living little symbol there on it. It smells so good though. It's got the orange blossom scent. So good, but I just feel squeaky clean afterwards, and not like squeaky clean like gross squeaky clean, like actually clean. And it's great, especially for like under your armpits where things get a little super smelly. The charcoal is amazing for that. So very glad to open that finally. And then on to, what was last month? April. Oh, I did February, March, April. Well, close enough. So somehow I don't know what year it is. I don't know what day it is. Anyways, so this is April because this is what I got a couple days ago. And I got the Thieves Chest Rub. We were running low, and I just want to make sure we have it on hand if we're sick, but it's like you just roll it. It's super cool. I don't want to open this one right now, but it's got a really cool applicator where you don't even have to like touch it. Like you just push and it comes out, and then you just rub it on your chest. So you don't even have to touch anything, no sticky hands, nothing. It's super easy. Vitamin D. Did I already say this? I might have. This is the kind of day I'm having. I was recommended by my doctor to take vitamin D supplements. So of course I chose the Young Living ones. I even had her look at them and she said, great, these are perfect. Go with those. I said, okay. And last but not least, and in a heavy duty box, probably because of packaging. Oh my goodness. We can do this. We got this. Okay. Last but not least is the Thieves Laundry Soap. So I don't order this very often, which sounds like I don't do laundry, but I do laundry all the time. The reason I don't order this very often, oh, it's all over the place, is because I only need to use like that much from the cap of laundry soap for like a large load. So you need hardly any soap at all. And that's why I love this, because it lasts forever. It works really great. It gets out all kinds of nasty, my husband works outside on cars, and it gets all of that out. And I wash our dog cleanup rags with it. They don't smell like dogs anymore. I wash all kinds of stuff with this, and it works really, really great. It works in all machines as far as I know. Yeah, HE safe. But yeah, it's 6 times concentrated. So it's just super, super, super concentrated. You do not have to use a lot at all. You have to use hardly anything. So it's just awesome. But you can also use it as a pre-treater. I have a little roller ball that I have with some of it in there, and I'll use that on like my husband's like shirt collars or things like that. But those are the last 3 months of goodies that we got, and we got quite a bit. But like I said, those 3 months of goodies. I'm behind, but if you like this kind of video, please leave a like down below. If you enjoy the normal content of crafting and sewing and knitting and everything, please subscribe. Like I said, I thought I'd just try this out and see if everyone likes it. I know I enjoy doing it on Instagram. So if this is something that everybody enjoys over here on YouTube, I'll keep doing it once a month. I hope you enjoyed this. See y'all later. Bye.